Alright, today what I have for you guys is this challenge lock. It was given to me by the Gingerbeard Man from Reddit. I don't know why, but my key always tends to be underneath my tripod. Key works, a little crunchy, but to be expected from a challenge lock. I don't know why it doesn't turn this way. Alright, let's get to picking it. I can't tell which pin it is that needs to be set still. Oh, there we go. Alright, got it open. Now I'll take this out of here, keep it in frame, open my vise. There we go. Now I got this, and we can see all his secrets. I'll lock it back up since we have a key. I'll probably shim it too, just to be safe. Uh-oh. Alright, so this is pin 1. Let's see what other kind of pins he has in here. Pin 1, pin 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now we see what kind of magic he has in here too. I guess these are probably just gonna fall right out the back. Yep. As they're flying, I will try to keep in mind which way they're oriented. Alright. It looks to me that they're all the same spring, so we'll just get those out of there. Alright. So here's a close-up of the pins. Got a pretty nice T-pin on 4. Let's see what's in the cylinder. Oops. There's some countermilling in 3 and some on 5 as well. Nothing in the Bible. Alright, if you want this challenge lock, just leave me a comment and I'll see if I can get it sent out to you. I also think challenge locks are really cool. They're a cheaper way for everybody to explore higher security locks. So if you have any challenge locks that you'd like to send me, just send me a PM or get a hold of me on Discord at IDFaskPure. So see you next time.